If you're working with JavaScript objects, there's a cleaner way to get their values. Destructuring. Here we have a user object with 3 properties: name, age, and city. Each property stores a different piece of information about our user. Normally, to access these values, we would write user name, user age, and user city separately. This works perfectly, but when we need several values, it can become repetitive. But with destructuring, we can extract all 3 values in one line, making our code shorter and easier to read. Here, name, age, city matches the property names inside our object. JavaScript takes the value of name and stores it in the name variable. After that, we can use these variables directly without writing user every time. So when we print them, we get Ahmed, 22, and Karachi. The main idea is simple. Destructuring lets you extract object values into variables easily.